ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಅವರನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಕಾ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಬರಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪತ್ರಿಕಾ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಗೋಷ್ಠಿಗೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಇನಾಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕರೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹರ್ಷಿತಾ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್.
We are completely into skincare, hair care, and hair transplantations as well with state-of-art technology and world-class doctors. We have started our new branch here at Jayanagar, Bangalore, and this is our third branch. And we have been successfully running our other two branches as well in Hyderabad and Vijayawada. And we are hoping that this is going to be as hit as our other branches. Thank you.
And special thanks to Ali sir and Dhruva sir for trusting us completely since very long time. Ali sir to almost he's starting with us since last 3 years. Thank you so much for that, sir. Of course, we'll start for Dhruva sir as well from now since we are in Bangalore. So we are successful clinic, skin and nail care clinic in Hyderabad, and eventually we started in Vijayawada, now in Bangalore. The reason we started in Bangalore is we have many clients who are traveling from Bangalore to Hyderabad almost every week. So that's when we thought we will have a branch here in Bangalore in the middle of the city.
HK ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಕಪ್ ಅವರು ಹೈದರಾಬಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧವಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಾಗೆ ವಿಜಯವಾಡದಲ್ಲೂ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧವಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೆಸರು ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಳಗಿಂದ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಗ್ಲೋ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ HK ಅವರು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗೈಸ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫೈಡ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಹೈಲಿ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಸ್ ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಫೈಟಿಂಗ್ ನಾನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಫ್ಯಾನ್. ನಾನು ತೆಲುಗಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಕನ್ನಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು HK ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಕಪ್ ಸರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ HK ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಕಪ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ, ನಾನು 1.5 ಇಯರಿಂದ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ತುಂಬ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೇರು ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಹೂ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೈದರಾಬಾದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಜಯವಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕ್ ತುಂಬ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮೇನ್ ಅವ್ರ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ సన్స్క్రీన్ అవి మాయిశ్చరైజర్
అండ్ ఎన్నో చోట్ల వీళ్ళు సర్టిఫికేట్లు తీసుకొని అక్కడ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసి వచ్చి ఈ రోజున వీళ్ళు ఇన్ని చోట్ల ఈ క్లినిక్ పెట్టడం నిజంగా చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది. వీళ్ళు ఇలాగే అన్ని ఏరియాల్లో ఇప్పుడు ఎలాగోకే క్లినిక్ పెట్టి ఇంకా బాగా అభివృద్ధి రావాలని ఆశిస్తున్నాను. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ కార్తిక్ అండ్ రచి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
కాదు మగవాళ్ళకు కూడా చాలా ప్రాణం పెట్టేస్తున్నారు ఈ మధ్య. ఇప్పుడు మనం పుట్టినప్పటి నుంచి ఇప్పటి వరకు ఇలా ఉన్నామేంటి, ఇలాగే ఉండాలా అని బాధపడవద్దు. ఎలా ఉన్నా సరే మా దగ్గరికి రండి, అందం మీకు ఇచ్చేస్తాం, మీ సొంతం అంటున్నారు హర్షిత కార్తిక్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఎలా ఉన్నా సరే మమ్మల్ని చాలా అందంగా తీర్చిదిద్దే హర్షిత కార్తిక్లకి ఈ సందర్భంగా నేను కంగ్రాచులేషన్ చెప్పుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
We're not changing anything. So basically we are into skincare and hair care, anything that is related to skin. It could be brightening sessions or anti-aging or procedures like Botox, fillers, thread lifts, and we are also into permanent makeup, which has been really in trend from last 2 to 3 years. So we were the pioneers in permanent makeup in Telugu states, and so for the people who don't know, permanent makeup is something which you get it done once and you'll be good to go for it, and at least for an year or year and a half, 1 to 1.5 years. And we are also into hair transplant, and to say it simple, pretty much everything that is related to skin and hair aesthetically.
Thank you. Rajnita Basirwasala, celebrities okay. Thank you so much at the end. Thank you. Have a good day. We look forward to see you again. Thank you.
Especially Abhisar. Namaskara. ಇವತ್ತು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಂಗೆ HK ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಕಪ್ ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವರು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಯಾರು ಅಂದರೆ ಹರ್ಷಿತಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಅವರು. ಇವರು ಏನು ಡೈವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗದೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು 3ನೇ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಇವ್ರದ್ದು. ಇಡೀ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಈ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ಆಲ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇವರು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನು ಫಾರಿನಿಂದ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫೈಡ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಜಯ ಅಂತ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಧ್ರುವ ಸರ್.